So you're looking for the best impact driver, but there are literally hundreds of options out there, and they all claim to be the best. How do you actually pick the right one? Well, today on Tools Query, we've done the hard work for you. We've reviewed and compared 10 of the best impact drivers on the market right now, from budget-friendly picks to pro-grade powerhouses. Let's get into it. Number 1. DeWalt 20-volt Max Impact Driver. DeWalt DCF 885 is the definition of a tried-and-true classic. It pushes out 1,400 inch-pounds of torque at 2,800 revolutions per minute, which is more than enough for decks, furniture, and general projects around the house. At just 2.0 pounds, it's incredibly light and easy to handle all day long. What really sets it apart is the 3 LED light ring with a 20-second delay, so you can actually see what you're doing in dark corners. The compact 5.55-inch head length fits into tight spots with no drama. If you're stepping into the DeWalt ecosystem for the first time, this is a legendary starting point. Number 2. Craftsman 20-volt Max Impact Driver. The Craftsman CMCF 800C1 comes as a complete kit with a 1.3 ampere-hour battery and charger included, so you're ready to work right out of the box. It delivers 1,460 inch-pounds of torque, which actually edges out the DeWalt brushed model by a small but noticeable margin. It's got an LED work light and a quick-release 1/4-inch hex chuck for fast bit swaps. The whole package comes in at a very wallet-friendly price point. For homeowners just building out their first tool set, this is honestly one of the best value starter kits you can grab. Number 3. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Impact Driver. The DeWalt DCF 845B XR is where things get serious. This one runs a brushless motor that cranks out 1,825 inch-pounds of torque. That's roughly 30% more power than the DCF 845B we just talked about. It spins up to 3,400 revolutions per minute with 4,200 impacts per minute. The real game changer here is the 3-speed selector. You can dial it down for delicate screws and crank it up for heavy lag bolts. No more overdriving and splitting wood. It's also chip-ready for tool connect tracking. If you're a professional or serious DIYer, this is the one to beat. Number 4. Galax Pro 20-volt Impact Driver. The Galax Pro GP95307 is the ultra-budget option on this list, and honestly, it punches above its weight. It puts out 1,240 inch-pounds of torque at 2,800 revolutions per minute, which is perfectly fine for hanging pictures, assembling furniture, and basic home tasks. It comes with 6 screwdriver bits, a belt clip, and a handy built-in battery indicator so you're never caught off guard. The tool-less bit change makes swapping quick and easy. If you just need something simple and affordable for light household jobs, this is a surprisingly capable little driver. Number 5. Savum 20-volt Brushless Impact Wrench. The Savum is technically a mid-torque impact wrench, but it earns a spot here because of its sheer versatility. We're talking 350 foot-pounds of torque from a brushless motor. That's serious automotive-grade power for tire rotations and bolt work. It features a 1/2-inch square drive, dual speed modes, and a clever brake stop mode that prevents nuts from falling off during removal. The included 4 ampere-hour battery gives you plenty of runtime for bigger jobs. If your work involves cars, trucks, or heavy equipment, this is the best impact driver crossover for the money. Number 6. CC 21-volt High Torque Impact Wrench. The CCWH710 is an absolute beast. It delivers a jaw-dropping 580 foot-pounds of torque, nearly triple the power of standard cordless impact drivers. That brushless motor spins at 3,300 revolutions per minute, making quick work of rusted bolts and heavy-duty construction fasteners. The kit includes 2 4 ampere-hour batteries, a fast charger, 6 impact sockets, and a sturdy travel case. At about 4.4 pounds, it's heavier than a standard driver but still very manageable. For mechanics and serious construction pros who need raw power, this is a heavy-duty champion. Number 7. Craftsman Manual Impact Driver Set. The Craftsman CMMT14104 is a manual hand-strike impact driver. No batteries, no motor, just pure mechanical force. You place the bit on a frozen screw, smack the back with a hammer, and the internal mechanism converts that strike into up to 200 foot-pounds of rotational torque. It comes with 5 bits including slotted and Phillips heads, and the all-metal construction means this thing is basically indestructible. The reversible action lets you both tighten and loosen. It also comes with a full lifetime warranty. This is a specialty rescue tool for screws that power drivers would just strip. Every serious toolbox needs one. Number 8. Craftsman 20-volt Max Brushless RP Impact Driver. The Craftsman CMCF830D2. Brushless RP is Craftsman's flagship impact driver, and it competes directly with pro-level brands. It delivers 1,800 inch-pounds of torque at 3,200 revolutions per minute with 4,200 impacts per minute, all from a compact tool weighing just 2.1 pounds. The standout feature is the magnetic bit holders built right into the top of the tool. No more digging through your pockets for bits. The 3-speed gearbox gives you full control, and the kit includes two 2-ampere-hour batteries plus a storage bag. This is a seriously impressive package for the price. Number 9. Makita 18-volt LXT Cordless Impact Driver. The Makita XDT11Z is legendary in the tool world for one thing above all else: ergonomics. It feels absolutely perfect in your hand. Under the hood, it delivers 1,460 inch-pounds of torque at 2,900 revolutions per minute with 3,500 impacts per minute from its 4-pole brushed motor. What makes this Makita special is its extreme protection technology, engineered seals that resist dust and water on the job site. The all-metal gear housing means this tool can take serious abuse and keep running. If you value build quality and long-term reliability over flashy features, this is a rock-solid choice. Number 10. Rayleigh 20-volt Max Impact Driver Kit. The Rayleigh JD5083 rounds out our top 10 as a solid entry-level kit for light-duty work. It produces 1,400 inch-pounds of torque at 3,000 revolutions per minute, and the cast aluminum gearhead gives it a surprisingly durable feel for the price point. The kit comes with a 1.5 ampere-hour battery and a 2 ampere charger, plus a variable speed trigger for better control. At 3.3 pounds, it's a bit heavier than premium options but still comfortable. For basic furniture assembly and household repairs, this is a reliable and affordable bang-for-your-buck pick. Alright, those are the 10 best impact drivers you can buy right now. If we had to pick favorites, the DeWalt DCF845B XR is the top choice for professionals who want power and precision, and the Craftsman CMCF800C1 is unbeatable for value if you're just getting started. All the links are down in the description below. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to Tools Query, and hit the bell so you never miss a review.